I'm going to show you exactly how to create an image pop out of text effect in Canva using a faster and more efficient method. This is perfect for thumbnails, posters, social media graphics, or any design where you want your text to stand out, and you can do this even if you're a beginner in Canva. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account. On the left-hand panel, click on Create and choose any canvas size that fits your project. Once your blank canvas opens, go to Uploads on the left-hand panel and upload the image you want to use. After uploading, simply click or drag the image onto your canvas and position it where you want. Now, instead of using the old method where you manually add letter frames one by one, there's a faster way to do this. Head over to Apps on the left-hand panel. In the search bar, type in Frame Maker and press Enter. Click on the app, and once it opens, you'll land on the Create section. This app is usually used to create custom frame shapes, but it recently added a feature for text frames. At the top, you'll see the text frame option. Click on it and type in the word or phrase you want, then choose the font you like. Make sure the option that says Split into Letters is turned off so the text stays as one full frame instead of separate letters. Once that's set, click Add to Design, and your text frame will automatically appear on your canvas. Before adding the image to the text, duplicate your image first. Remove the background of the duplicated image. Now drag the original image onto the text frame and double-click to adjust how it fits inside the letters. After that, place the background removed image on top and align it properly. Finally, crop the bottom part of the top image so the letters appear behind it, creating that clean pop out of text effect. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. Before adding the image to the text, duplicate your image first. Remove the background of the duplicated image. Now drag the original image onto the text frame and double-click to adjust how it fits inside the letters. After that, place the background removed image on top and align it properly. Finally, crop the bottom part of the top image so the letters appear behind it, creating that clean pop out of text effect. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.